From colorful tropical birds to powerful birds of prey, here are all types of birds explained. So let's get started. Sparrow, finch, canary, robin, blackbird, thrush, crow, raven, magpie, jay, swallow, martin, woodpecker, toucan, barbet, honey guide, hummingbird, swift, domestic parrot, macaw, cockatoo, cockatiel, budgie, lovebird, Amazon parrot, African gray parrot, loricat, conure, eagle, bald eagle, golden eagle, hawk, kite, harrier, falcon, peregrine falcon, vulture, condor, owl, barn owl, eagle owl, chicken, turkey, quail, pheasant, partridge, peafowl, flamingo, stork, heron, egret, ibis, spoonbill, crane, bittern, rail, coot, moorhen, albatross, petrel, shearwater, seagull, tern, skua, sandpiper, plover, curlew, avotet, stilt, puffin, guillemot, razorbill, penguin, bird of paradise, hornbill, hoatzin, turaco, duck, mallard, teal, goose, swan, ostrich, emu, cassowary, rhea, kiwi, cinnamon, pelican, cormorant, unhinga, kingfisher, bee-eater, roller, bustard, secretary bird, roadrunner, kagu, seriema, nightjar, frogmouth, oilbird. Thanks for watching!